Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be discussing about how much knowledge of maths and physics do you need to have to become a pilot. Well, there might be many of you who do not come from a science background, or you might really not like maths and physics but you have just taken up science because you want to pursue flying. As we all know, it is very important to have maths and physics as your subjects in your 11th and 12th standard for you to become a pilot. And in case you did not have it, you have the option of going for the NIOS exams, which is the National Institute of Open Schooling, where you can go and appear for these individual papers, whatever it is, physics or maths that you haven't done, you have an option to do that. But there are some apprehensions which many of us have in our mind. Even if you have done your physics or maths from NIOS, do you think that it will be very important to be excellent in these subjects, or will it hamper your interview selection procedure? Well, don't you worry, I'm here to give you a broader picture of the same. Well, frankly speaking, becoming a pilot is more a game of skills, decision making, situational awareness, and leadership quality more than deep understanding of maths and physics. Well, there is very less requirement of whatever you studied in maths in your 11th and 12th standard. You only need to have a very basic understanding of maths. That's all that is required. Well, the basic things are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, finding out ratios. Well, I think this can be very easy for anyone. A little bit of complication comes when you have to understand angles and gradients, but trust me, they are so easy and so logical, you will not have to crack your head for that. And a very important thing in aviation is to know your table of 3 very well. This will help you calculate a lot of things mentally. So be well prepared with the table of 3. Any which ways, the modern airlines are highly advanced with integrated software. You do not have to do anything. The plane just flies on its own. You will be taught all of that. You need to know how to handle all of that. But the basic knowledge of maths and physics is all that you need. So you need not worry. You do not have to be a topper in your class, or you shouldn't have been, like an overachiever in maths or physics to become a pilot. A very basic knowledge is more than enough. I hope my video today will encourage you to become a pilot. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!